going to clean these tires, we're going to use 3 different soaps, cleaners, whatever you want to call it. So let's see what we can do with the tires. This is my car. So the first product we're going to use on this tire is LA's Totally Awesome Wheel and Tire Cleaner. And this is Driver's Choice Shine. And we're going to use this later. But I'm going to keep it near the tire so I know what I used. Okay. So the next one is Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner. We're going to use that. And then after I'm done with the car, the Black Magic Tire Wet. I don't see a difference. Here. I don't see a difference. Do you see a difference? I don't see a difference. So this time we're going to use this Malco Epic Hydro Sheet Wash and Wax. Let's see. Ooh. Well, I learned nothing. Except one thing. It doesn't matter if you're using the pricey ones or the less expensive ones. I don't see any difference. That's my synopsis on it. I'd gone through a winter storm, drove in it, ice, snow, nasty grime on the roads after it all left. Don't ask me. Alrighty, so I used the Driver's Choice tire spray on this. It's supposed to give it a good black look. It looks decent, but it doesn't look any different than, you know, as if I just washed it. And this is the tire wet. And I can tell you right now, that is not something that works for me. I don't see any need for that thing to look like that. So this is the APC tire, and I actually like the color of it. I like the way it is. It's dull and flat. I like that. So I'm going to leave that alone. Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine. So we're going to try this out. See what it looks like. Now it says to spray it on an applicator pad. That looks pretty good. And dang sure ain't too shiny like that other one that's going to get wiped off. I don't have no time for that. That is not for me. This looks good. Just an APC wash with the cheap Zep APC. I don't like that. Gotta go. Except for that tire. That's just not gonna work for me. I gotta find a way to wash that off. Ugh. I don't like that. So, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. I have no idea what it's gonna be.